Today we're doing Fool in the Rain by Led Zeppelin. Before we begin, make sure you're subscribed to this channel, check out my other channel for more music lessons and all kinds of other stuff, and go to modernmusiclearning.com for the sheet music that accompanies this video. Let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to play through the two parts of the song, and then we're going to break it down. So here's part one. And here's part two. Okay, so let's start with part one. The right hand goes like this. So that first shape, E and C, F and C, G and C, a full F major chord, F, A, C, and then you go down to a G chord in second inversion, D, G, B. The left hand goes C, D, E, F, F, G, G. Okay, so now on to part two. So the shapes in the right hand go like this. C major, F major in second inversion, C, F, A minor in second inversion, E, A, C, G major in second inversion, D, G, B. If you want, you can play that first C like this in first inversion, so you are a little bit closer to that F. So I recommend just practicing those shapes. For starters, just get your hand used to those shapes, and then in your left hand, C, F, A, G. Now, the pattern between the hands is a little confusing, so the first three go like this. That's left, right, left, right, left, right. Then, when you get to the fourth one, it's right, left, right. Left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right. So don't let those two rights in there trip you up. Just practice it slowly and be mindful of that. And that's it for Fool in the Rain.